Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery in a Ford Expedition. And this fob was used in years 2010 through 2017 if you've got this kind of integrated key. Alright, so this has the battery inside this kind of key fob here, and there's two pieces here to this fob. So basically you can see this line around the edge. This goes all the way around. We need to separate these two pieces to get access to the internal battery. So the key to this is in the upper right corner if we're looking at the fob like this. So right where my index finger is there, there's a little notch. You can see that notch right there. If you can get some leverage into that notch, I actually found just using another key works really well. Get it in there and then turn, and you'll be able to start to separate these two pieces. You can also get some good leverage where you might attach a key ring as well. So this will pop off into two pieces. You might see this little rubber backing. Just make sure that this stays in place on this side, or that you put it back to cover the battery here. And the battery that we use is CR2032. You can just, this will fall right off. You just kind of tap it out like that. So grab a new CR2032. Make sure the positive side is the side with the lettering that's facing you. Put that back in, and then just go ahead and put this cover back on into place. That'll snap right in, and there you go. And that's how you change the battery on the Ford Expedition for this key fob model. And again, this battery is a CR2032 coin battery, 3 volt.